What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Your SoCal Storm Chaser, MC Ed, is back with a brand new storm chasing video. Now check this out. I know you guys see me without a shirt. That's because if you guys were paying attention to my last video, I was doing push-ups in the middle of the road where I literally burned my hands, but they're a lot better now. Nothing compared to where they were before, thanks to Vic2 Legend, who wanted me to hit push-ups in the middle of the road.
Yes, sir.
Man, but he actually did push-ups too. So if you guys watched my last video, you guys know why. And to those who haven't watched my last video, definitely go check it out, because that video is a true banger. Not only that I did push-ups in the middle of the road, but I got stopped by Border Patrol. Well, yeah, we got stopped by Border Patrol. So anyway, so right now we're on our way back to Phoenix, and check this out. A brand new storm cell have formed out there. So hopefully we get to shoot lightning out of it and record the storm itself. So with no further ado, let's dig right into the content. But before I do so, make sure you guys hit that like button, turn on that post notification so you guys won't miss any future content that I upload, including the push-ups that I did and the storm chasing and the fitness, which that was part of the fitness. So anyway, are we good to go? No more crazy ideas?
There's always gonna be crazy ideas, so y'all stay tuned.
Man, that's not something I wanted to hear, but anyway, let's dig right into the storm chasing video right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so right now we're on our way back to Phoenix, Arizona, where there's a storm cell that just developed just right under the city of Phoenix. And I don't know if I was able to get that bolt of lightning, but there's lightning out of that storm cell. So I'm close to Phoenix, more like Mesa and Gilbert to be exact. We have a severe thunderstorm warning for this particular storm that is east of Phoenix by Gilbert, 60 miles per hour winds as well. The main highlight from this storm is that it is producing an incredible amount of lightning, frequent cloud to cloud lightning. Haven't really seen cloud to ground, but there's an incredible amount of cloud to cloud lightning, and the storm is literally like up ahead. So we're about to go see what's going on. It's starting to rain. We're literally at the doorsteps of this storm. It's gonna start pouring torrentially very soon. Here we are. Severe thunderstorm, 60 mile per hour winds, frequent cloud to cloud lightning, and this is it right here, this is it. Record this, this is it, right there. Here we are. And the freeway started to slow down too. Here we are. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. Look at this storm. Oh my God, look at this. Highway Patrol is like escorting traffic now. I see them up ahead. Holy crap. Wow. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God. It's slowing down the freeway and it's... Wow. That's how you know the storm is really bad. Starting to slow down everybody. Oh my God. Look at this storm. Wow. Look at this. People slowing down the middle of the freeway. Oh man. Highway Patrol is escorting traffic. Wow. This is what we grind for. Look at this wall of rain. Oh my God. Wow. Look at this. Wow. I can't recall seeing rain like this ever. Oh my God. Wow. I got it. Yeah, I got it. I can't recall seeing rain like this ever. Now it's going to the other side. Oh my. Wow. Woo. Wow. I cannot recall seeing rain like this ever. I've seen heavy storms, but not of this magnitude. Highway Patrol is escorting traffic. Wow. It seems like we're passing the worst of the storm because the rain is starting to fizzle out a little bit and the wind is blowing the opposite direction. But the rain is still coming down heavy. What a storm. It seems like we're passing the worst of the storm because the rain is starting to fizzle out a little bit and the wind is blowing the opposite direction. But the rain is still coming down heavy. What a storm. Alright guys, so I just woke up right now. Sorry I couldn't finish the video last night because my phone died, and I wasn't in the mood to finish the video last night because I was bummed out the fact that my phone died and my charger wasn't working. So decided to finish the video right now in the morning as soon as I woke up. As you guys can see, I am straight out still sleepy. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like, turn on the post notification, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new to my channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.